Hello, students. Let's talk about the Mid Cap Spicey Map. Solve with factoring. Solve by factoring, solve with factoring. Here we go. We have 66x squared equals a 12x. Notice I've already set it equal to 0 because that's how you would solve with factoring. Okay, so where'd the negative 12x come from? Well, I subtracted it to get a 0 in the side. So here we go. First thing is first, I'm going to see if I can take a GCF out of 66x squared and a 12x. I could probably take an x out. 66 and 12 have a 6 in common, so let's give it a rewrite. I can take a 6x out as my GCF. What's left over? If I take the 6x out, I think I have an 11x minus 2 left over, and that's going to equal 0. So my GCF and my binomial is going to be a 6x and then an 11x minus 2. Okay. Part 2, let's solve each of those. The first one's pretty simple. 6x equals 0. Well, when I try to divide both sides by 6, I get 0. Okay. So hang on there. I'm not sure if 0 is going to be the smaller number or not, so let's hang on to that because it says smaller number first. All right, let's solve the other one, the other binomial bit. 11x minus 2, let's set that equal to 0. Let's two-step equation this bad boy. Add 2 to both sides. 11x equals a 2. Divide by 11, divide by 11. There it is. X is going to equal 2 elevenths, which is not very nice of a decimal, which is why it says type as fraction if needed. Here we go. Okay, the smaller number would be 0, and the other number would be 2/11. All right, cool. That's about it, friends. Make sure you factor out your GCF. Set your GCF equal to 0, set your factored binomial equal to 0, and then 1 or 2 step away to your answers. That's about it for the Mid Cap Spicey Map. See you in class.